Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create a phantom wallet. As you can see, I'm on my phantom wallet, and for my case I already have a wallet, but I'll walk you through the steps of creating a new wallet. So for this case, I'll click on this drop down arrow and then click on add or connect wallet, and then click on add or create new wallet. Once you're there, it will be named wallet account 2. So I'll click on create, and then I'll just click on this, and as you can see, it will automatically be created like that. And as you can see guys, by default your phantom wallet will be having these two coins over here. I mean, there are 4 tokens. First one is Solana, second is Ethereum, Bitcoin, and then Polygon, and that is by default. Okay, if you want, you can come to your settings icon over here. So once on your settings icon, you can choose your preference. Okay, you can manage these accounts. Click on manage accounts over here and then choose the account you want to enter in. So for this case, I'm in the second account. If you want, just come and click on developer options over here and then explore all options in your account, as you can see. Okay, so heading over to our security and privacy. In the security and privacy, you can choose to either input the user device authentication, whereby to log into your account, you'll be asked for your fingerprint and even the pattern or even the face recognition. Otherwise, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.